When installing deck boards, it's important to think about spacing. Now that spacing can differ based on if the boards are dry or wet. Having gaps between the deck boards allows for airflow, and it also allows for water to drain through. Lastly, spacing the boards makes for easier cleaning. So the real question is, how far apart should you space your deck boards? If they're dry, we recommend a 3/16 inch gap. That's the same thickness as a 16D nail. You can use them as spacers while you install the boards. Now we recommend waiting for the wood to dry thoroughly before installing. But we realize most people don't have that kind of time. So if you install wet, pull the boards tightly against each other. They will shrink as they dry, leaving you with the proper gap. One last tip when installing deck boards. Make sure you start at the edge of the deck and work your way towards the house. You'll probably have to rip the last board, but it's less noticeable when it's up against the house. Thanks for watching and happy building.